Bro, today has been crazy and it literally just started. Like, I woke up super late. It's already 10:30 and the show started an hour and a half ago and I'm running late. So let's hurry up. We gotta make some moves and get there. So UCONN, here we come. Stay tuned, everybody. This should be a fun one. I'll get there when I get there. Hopefully sooner than later. But yeah, stay tuned.
Eventually.
All right, so we made it. Yo, that's nuts.
I think.
Not only that, are those real shells? Those are real shells on the floor? Yeah. Yeah? Oh, that's crazy.
So we're the ones hanging on the dash.
Yeah. Yeah. I can tell that, but...
You ever burned your leg on the trains at all?
No. That's crazy.
That's cool. It's dope as hell,
That honestly is amazing.
This thing is, the engine is a 454.
Yeah.
It came out of a 74 El Camino.
Uh-huh.
They bored it out to a 463, and it's dyno to 600. You're doing 40 or 50, and you step on the gas, and it just lights up the tire.
Yeah, you're gonna spit. Yeah, that's wild. No, that's a hell of a build. So this thing definitely caught my right-hand drive. Here we are, Zanky. Where are we? Damn. Awesome. Shit.
Want to see the
That shit is tough. So last thing you guys saw was some clips when I was at the UCONN show. Unfortunately, my camera died and I didn't pack an extra battery with me. It is what it is, I'm sorry. So I just threw that at the beginning of this. But the Z's here. We brought the Z in finally, so that's nice. We can actually have the Z at the shop, which is great. Now we get to actually bang this car out.
What you talking about, Lewis?
So, yeah, that's pretty much it. The Z's here, Jet Subi's in the back. And then you got the E36 and then the EG all the way in the back. And yeah, that's just kind of how it's set up for now. Kind of until we can get all this stuff going. We just still got to get like shelves and stuff put in, getting tables and stuff for spacing purposes to lay stuff out so stuff's not all over the floor.
1 hour later.
Today we're going to be working on the 350Z. I have to remove the power steering rack and input the new one. So more to the story, the power steering rack that's in the Z right now. It's terrible, it's garbage. We have a new one, we're gonna replace it. Some people don't know how to do this. Figured I would record it. Free content's free content, and I'm working on my car and I'm updating it at the same time. So yeah, that's what's right behind me. I got a light set up. We're gonna be doing some work on it. Hope you guys stick around to enjoy. So as you can see right there, that's the new rack. It's gonna take forever to focus. I did start cleaning it all out yesterday, but the old rack is right there. I already have the light set up. I already took the bolts off on this side. They're 17s. You literally unbolt both of these. This part to pop back out. It's basically just out with the old and in with the new. But some people, like I said, don't know how to do this. So this is their way of seeing how it should, you know, all get done. So that's just what we're gonna do. Follow me. I got you. I'll show you the way. So for the sake of things, because jack stand's already preoccupied and I don't feel like really lifting the car up, I'm gonna keep the car on the ground. I know it isn't the right way to do it. It's better to get it underneath the car. However, I really don't feel like doing that. It's gonna take me more time. It's really not worth it in my opinion. It's just removing and replacing a few simple bolts.
1 hour later.
And so I got most of the rack off. This is the older rack. I just have to get this bolt off so that way I can then pull this off completely. It's just taking a while.
The next day.
The new rack is in. Most of the lines are already all set. Bolt these up. That's already in. So this side is already connected to the steering column. This side we still have to do. So basically I realized that from back then I never recorded an outro. Looking back on it now, it's kind of interesting to see how much has changed in my life through these videos, and it's actually kind of fun doing them. I've learned a lot from what I've been looking at, basically trying to filter and edit to use and not use and stuff like that, and it's actually pretty interesting that I've noticed a couple things. My camera quality has been terrible. It's kind of been the reason why I've discouraged from using it, because I know I've had a lot of camera issues in the past, especially when it comes to uploading, and the quality of the videos basically low. As you can start to see with what I'm doing is I'm trying to incorporate new things into the overall video just to make it look better. But it's actually interesting. I'm kind of having fun with this series, learning about that. Oh, I do apologize in advance. Hopefully by this point in time you'll see the difference. A lot has changed since then. Quality's basically come a long way. But I wanted to record an outro just to talk about that and to discuss, you know, some exciting plans and stuff that I have. I know a lot of this stuff is pretty boring. In future videos, not only will the audio and quality be better, but that the content will be better as well. I've got a lot of cool things actually in store. With that being said, please be patient, keep in mind, and I promise that I'll push out as much more content as I possibly can. I like doing this for myself. However, I do feel like I can provide some kind of entertainment to people out there. If you haven't already, be sure to check out Instagram and all that other stuff. I post them there more than I do on here, and I'm trying to change that. I've been really trying to make an effort into putting a lot into this channel to make it grow and do things of that nature. But once again, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and you guys have a good night.
What's poppin'?